Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, December 9th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6 trades in the room, although we were mostly done after the third or fourth one. And we're going to go through them real quickly here because there was a lot of them. First opportunity we had in the room was 2066 short. 2066 short. We had a ZL at 8:45 Central Standard Time. That one worked out for 2 points, and then you would have been an entry after 2 points and been taken out on any runners if you were out of the trade. You just made a couple points in the trade and you took your profit. Second trade we had an S play coming up, but we had a little bit of news here, so we decided to wait for the next opportunity, and that came on the 909 candle. The price was 2068.50. 2068.50, and we took that up to our targets of 72.50, 75 quarter, and then our ultimate target was 79. And that was a beautiful trade. After the first target, we would have been an entry here, and you can see it never looked back, never would have stopped us out on our runners, and took us up to our ultimate target. I told everybody that this was kind of stretched. I did have another target up here around 80 or so. I said if it has a trouble and several candles go by and it doesn't make it up there, I'm going to take the first available short that we get. First short that we got that we were able to take was at 951. Okay, only larger size traders or people who were up nicely from this trade would take that trade, and that was a short again at 951 at 2076.75, and you'll see you could have basically gotten everything that you wanted. Obviously we had to be out of the room here at 55, but the trade went over 20 points from the time we got in until we closed the room. Obviously a lot of people took that trade small or may not have taken it, so I offered another opportunity after the 10 o'clock candle, 2074.75, 2075 right here, and again you'll see that one again made it down to our targets of 69 quarter, 67.50. We had an add-on at 63.50, and then again our ultimate target down there. And that was another beautiful trade there. It was an RS. For those who were in the RS, I offered an add-on trade. Was an understanding trade that we had to the downside, and that was at 2070 quarter. 2070 quarter add-on right here. Okay, that was right at this candle here. And then when the market came down again, we had a power play at 1042, 2063.50. And again, I told everybody that was going to probably go down to around the 59 area. Now, people who were out of the trade, who still wanted to take trades, who were up huge on the day, I said this was a very, very, very aggressive trade. But I said try to get long around 59. We added at 57. And as soon as we added, I didn't really want to have to add. I said if we have to add, we're going to have to get out of this trade and probably take a small loss. Very, very aggressive trade. And I told everybody if you were still short, don't take the trade. But that would have been anywhere from a 1 point loser to 2-3 tick loser. Some people reported everything there in that range. But everybody did have the opportunity to get out of the trade who was in it, and not very many of people were in it, because I said if you just had a nice trade here and or you're at your goal and or you're not trading extremely small, you just can't take the trade because it's too late in the morning. So those who did took a small loser, but again, there was plenty of other winners after that. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades, and then this one would have been a small loser for those who took it. But like I said, most people were done after this trade here or this trade here with that nice long. And then we closed the room. So we're going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again. A great day in the room, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow.